A. This is letter A. A. This is letter A. A for apple, A for ant. B. This is letter B. B. This is letter B. B for boy, B for ball. C. This is letter C. C. This is letter C. C for cat, C for cow. D. This is letter D. D. This is letter D. D for doll, D for dog.